Hi everyone, and welcome back to the VE Precast YouTube series, where we teach you how to become a precast expert. My name is Chris Romani, and today I'm going to be teaching you about two types of precast double T systems. The first type, field top double Ts, require concrete topping in the field. The second type, factory topped or pre-topped double Ts, receive a thicker flange in the manufacturing facility. Now, if you have one precaster who uses field top double Ts and another one that uses pre-top double Ts, their scope, price, and schedule can be vastly different. I find this is often confusing for project managers, so I just wanted to take one video and clarify some of the differences. In case you forgot from our last video, this is a basic diagram of a double T. To help me explain the differences between these two types of double T systems, I have with me today Larbi Sennour, President of the Consulting Engineers Group, one of the premier specialty precast engineers in the United States. Good afternoon, Larbi.
Hi, Chris. Thank you for having me.
Larbi, I'd like to start by having you explain to our viewers the field top double T system. What are its advantages and disadvantages?
The pre-top double T system consists of a double T floor system that will receive topping in the field after installation by the precast. What is it? It is a flooring system that transfers the loads vertically and also transfers the loads horizontally to the lateral load resisting systems such as your shear walls or your frames. That system has advantages and disadvantages compared to other systems, but what the main advantage is the continuity of your flooring system, the continuity of your diaphragm, and also a good continuous system.
And what about the pre-top double T system? Why do you see people using them?
A pre-topped flooring system is a system where the double T has the topping already included in it. It's a thicker flange. The system is discrete. You have jointing systems that's installed with no field topping except at the ends for seismic and wind loads. That system also has great advantages, obviously, but also one of the best advantages, you have factory-made topping. It's all finished, and in some instances it will reduce the time occupancy, but not much, but still does reduce the erection time and the occupation time by having the floor system already ready to use. But it is a discrete system, so all the forces and all the transfer of the forces happen through connections, and that's as opposed to a field topped where everything happens within the topping.
Thank you very much, Larbi. I want to speak to our viewers for just a second about schedule. Now, as Larbi mentioned, pre-top systems tend to be slightly faster than field top systems, as there is one less step, the field topping, until completion. Now, this step, however, usually has a minimal impact on schedule because in most cases, field topping can begin to be applied before the precast project has reached its completion. Finally, let's talk about what's probably most important to all of you: price. Which system costs less? To answer this, you're going to need to talk to your local precaster, as they will have a good idea of what field topping costs. In the South, where I work, labor tends to be cheaper, and field topping provides significant cost advantages over factory topping. In other parts of the United States, however, this may not be the case, and factory topping is the more cost-effective method. Here's a brief summary of what we've discussed today. You can see it covers cost, quality, and potential problems of each system. Most of these problems can be dealt with easily as long as you know about them ahead of time. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment on it. It really does help me out. Thanks, and can't wait to see you on the next video.